When history's a mystery and you don't know what to do, call Sherlock Bones and he will help sniff out some clues for you.
Why, hello there. Are you ready to investigate another history mystery with your old friend Sherlock Bones? Today I was doing laundry and marvelling at the wonderful technology that exists for me to be able to clean my clothes with very little effort. With just the push of a button, machines will wash, rinse, and dry my laundry in no time. But it makes me wonder what people used to do without this modern technology when laundry day rolled around. Here I am in the laundry room. Behind me are two machines, one for washing and one for drying. An entire load of laundry can go from dirty to totally clean and dry in just a couple of hours. These machines are powered by electricity and are also connected to the house's plumbing system. I can't quite reach the buttons, but I think I can find someone to help show me how to work the washing machine.
Well, hello, Sherlock. Looks like you've been interested in my washing machine. I'm getting ready to do a load of clothes. Would you like to see how I do it? Of course, it's an electric machine. Front loading. I'm loading up the towels.
It seems to me the next step would have to be adding some kind of soap.
Yes, you're right. Next comes the detergent. There we go. And I'm going to set the temperature too because I want cold. Here we go.
It's quite remarkable how simple this process truly is. But these kinds of machines have only been around since the turn of the century. How did people do their laundry before this technology was invented? I have travelled to Rancho Los Cerritos in the year 1878 to sniff out some clues to help answer that question. Aha! I think I've found some clues! Now let's see if I can find someone who can help me learn more about them. Why, hello.
Oh, well, hello, Sherlock. Did you come over to see me wash the clothes?
Yes, I did, actually.
First of all, we bring the water from the water tower, and then we fill the wash tubs. I'm using lye soap and scrubbing the clothes on the washboard. It's hard work. Now I've got to rinse all that soap out. So I use the clean water and I'll rinse with the agitator. It'll get all the soap out. I could wring them by hand, but I can also use my wringer here. I think I'll do that. I'm going to wring out the clothes, and this will get a lot of the water out. It's a lot better than wringing by hand, I can tell you that. And now I'm going to hang them on the clothesline over there to dry. It's a pretty cloudy day. I don't know if they're going to get dry. What do you think?
I certainly hope so.
Sherlock, I've got all these clothes to wash, and it's going to take me a long time. But look at the first one I'm going to wash. It's one of your jackets. I'll take care of that right away.
Thank you very much. And thank you also for taking the time to explain to me how you do your laundry. It certainly seems like a great deal of work, and you also have to worry about the weather. So much to consider. Well, another history mystery solved. In the late 1800s, washboards and wringers were considered the modern technology of the day. Even so, laundry was a very time-consuming process that involved a lot of hard work. I certainly am glad to be able to use the technology of 2020 to do my own washing. Well, friends, until we meet again for our next investigation into the mysteries of history.